Yo, good morning everybody. Today we're at the junkyard again, looking for a bumper again. My brother's integra, so let's hope we don't get lost or stuck finding stuff that we don't need. But it's hella packed. Like hella fucked up here, bro. Found it? There ain't much here, man. What's my exhaust pipe? Some beat up ass junkies, bro. A little prelude? Was that a prelude? Yeah, it looks like one. Nothing but EKs up in this motherfucker. You got one?
Cock blowing motherfuckers. Oh no, there's right there.
Or the headlights?
Ah, dude. They should have fucking crack them. They threw them like they didn't even matter. Fucking cock.
Cool, we're gonna take the headlights too. That's a pretty. Oh, never mind. That thing is shot. Oh, no way. Bro, they already beat on it. Look at the bottom.
Oh, dude, it was perfect in the pictures. God damn it. Fucking cock blowers, dude.
Ah, man. Damn. The holler kills. What's up?
This is the car that guy wanted to trade me for, remember?
Oh, yeah, that brown, huh?
It's just fucking ugly.
Look at that, man.
Fuck, dude. Fucking happy I didn't trade this shit.
Game-matic? Auto Tragic? Yeah, this thing looks pretty.
Fucking color's hideous.
I've never been so disgusted in my life.
Shit fucking belongs here.
Oh, we could try and get those door lock thingies though, since yours are messed up.
Not some.
Oh, they're brown.
Buy on the budget too right now.
Alright. Well, looks like this video's gonna come to an end pretty quick because what we came here for ain't even here. That's a sad one to see, little Subi. Off stock. Oh, fuck. Got homeboy cheating. Oh, shit. What? Crazy. Ouch. Yeah, so the bumper was a killer, and I was looking for a little EM2 for some D17 coils. Coil packs. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to buy cars too, the junkyard sells super clean title cars, no scratches or dents, fully clean with ultra clear windows. Yeah, almost you can see through them. Yeah, just slight scuffs. But I would say it's a California smoggable car. Oh yeah, has a small dent.
Custom wrap flakiness.
Yeah, pretty tight.
Damn.
I say it's a nice daily driver.
Tapping on in these people probably died.
Damn, someone getting all emotional, man. Ah, EP3.
K28.
K series. K20. Oh, let's see you're making model for his oil. Nah. Damn, poor thing got beat though. Fuck, they stripped this motherfucker down. Oh. That's enough for this guy. Oh, it has R6 brakes. It has 5-liter conversion. Whoever wants them. Looks like it has aftermarket exhaust. I just don't know what kind it is.
Two hours later.
Turned off? Hey! Baby it, baby it. Go slow. I hear it knocking. Oh, I think it just blew. Faster, and I think that tanky just blew. You hear a rod knock outside the car. That's all bad, man. Right now we're on hazards, just trying to get my girlfriend's house. Hopefully we make it, but yeah, did a pull and I seen smoke on the rearview mirror. It did not look good at all. Hopefully we make it, and damn, it really sucks. See it right now, once we actually hopefully get to pick up the back camera up, see how bad the damage is, because it does burn oil, but oh man, it sucks. We're running and you can see. Wow, what is this, bro? What's up, my dude?
What's up, my dude? Oh, hi. Hi, vlog.
So we were gonna come work on this today, but I think my boy just blew his damn thing, bruh.
It's alright. New build.
I just did the clutch work on this thing.
Okay. Okay, swap.
Hold up. Rev it a little. I want to see if you can hear it. Rev it a little. I want to see if you can hear it. Go again. A little more. Oh yeah, no. Stop. Turn off.
Yeah, you can hear it when he
Pop your hood.
Now the definition of how fucked up is fucked up. Now this shit's fucked up.
Did you know oil, son?
Dude.
It's all burnt.
There's oil in it. It's perfectly fine. Hey, son.
It's hot. It's hot.
What? Oh shit.
Oh, I see a little bit of crystals in there.
Bro, it's filled. Like, overfilled. That's good. I want the oil cap.
Oh, is that metal? Nah. Just kidding.
I don't know, but it's knocking, that's for sure.
Damn,
bro. Oh, time for a rebuild. Oh, Jamie.
No, I already ordered all the stuff for LS VTEC.
Cut. Alright, well, the taggy's down. Taggy's down, guys.
I can still drive it home.
Yeah, we'll drive it home, but yeah, that's gonna start the series of the taggy. But we're here to see this taggy. Alright, bro, with this one, I remember last time she showed it, it was like gutted as interior. Come on, bro, I'm not supposed to show you build, you have it locked, son.
It's open on this side.
Bro, I'm trying to get into this side, dude.
Oh, sorry, I got power locked.
What? Looks like a car in here now.
Still can't drive it.
How busted was last time?
Pretty busted.
It was clapped, yo. So today we're gonna try and finish putting everything back together. And maybe try and drive it.
What? Oh shit! Oh shit! Guys, I'm excited.
Watch out, raw knock too. Alright, so now I gotta take off our fender because this whole headlight does not turn on.
I ain't no baby.
And I don't know why.
His name's Benito. Does anybody want him? YouTube. Anybody want him? Look, he's beautiful.
We ain't cat lovers, bro.
And you could you only have to pay $75 for his grooming, and it'll last you like about 4 months. Okay.
We ain't got no balls, bro.
Yeah, he does. Look. Well, you can't see him. He's very fluffy.
He ain't packing.
Wrong with that?
Nah, but. Alright, but we took out the fender so we could check the harness under here and see what the hell is going on. And do some testing because we tucked it and after that it stopped working, so I don't know what we did wrong. And it usually never happens. It's the first time it's ever happened to me, so yeah, let's take this fender off. As if it wants to come out. Alright, fender's off, headlights off. This is a wire tuck. I mean, this done it millions of times. So all should be work. Try it out, turn on the light. Should work. Yeah, boy, it was just a bad ground the whole entire time. Cool. Any thoughts, Emma? Your car being blown?
I got Subway.
Fuck.
What?
I was gonna say we can drive it to get it washed.
Why can't we drive it?
So I don't have a turn signal.
They won't wire that right now.
Where's the connector?
Bruh, I got this.
Where?
Hey,
Well,
you got
I
hand
guess it.
signals.
I guess, period.
Well, if you want, you can go to AutoZone real quick and get little female connectors while I finish up the rest of the car.
Okay. Well, hi, ma'am. Roll your car forward.
I'm still turned
The
on.
turned on. Hey, don't cap on it like that. It ain't fully blown, bruh.
I don't know.
It
It
ain't
just sounded
fully
pretty
blown.
scary
It'll-
when you floored it.
It's okay, man. You'll come back from this, baby. Dang, you said your shit trash, son. Alright, won't finish the rest of the wiring. That way I know that everything else works, but headlight works. It wasn't turning on before. Now we can finish this and maybe take this on a drive tonight. Go to the car wash. But I'm gonna finish this up. Damn, son, my car just turned off.
What? What do you mean?
You know the deal. Oh, main relay. You have another one in your car, don't you? I think you do.
USB on the...
If any of you have Hondas, EF specifically, you guys know how common this issue is. Try it out, bro. Let's see how good I taught her, guys.
I can't really see. There you go. Pop out. Pop out, bitch. Pop out.
Babe,
What?
push, press, pull.
I know I am.
No, you're just pushing.
Push it. Well, this
Push it inward, press it, and then pull.
Oh, I just connected it again.
No one should. Alright. Yeah, this one's been giving me hella problems. What's up? This one right here.
Oh, the newer one?
Damn, son, let me find out if I can turn on.
Let me find out.
It was a main relay.
Put this shit on sport mode, guys. Look. Shit out.
Oh, fuck. Hey, don't fucking blow that thing, dude. This thing's been reliable.
Whatever.
Sheesh.
Oh, the gas subway.
I'm gonna get working on this while they go to get the spade connectors. Damn, son. Oh, looks like about to hit the teggy. You're good, go. Just reverse it out. Your headlights, fool. No games. Oh, smacked you, Blackie. Oh, damn. No, get out. Straight front headlight. Alright, that's back on. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Alright, now with that done, it's getting kind of sundown. I still need to wire in her side marker and her engine harness, but that shouldn't take too long. Just at least test drive it, make sure everything works good, and finally get this finished, because I don't know if you guys saw in the other videos, she never even had interior to begin with, and we converted this whole car. I mean, we didn't really record not much of it at the time, but converted to full black interior as much as we could, at least. And we converted to power windows and just all the stuff. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting back her fuse box stuff, her alternator wires, just really drive it. And yeah, maybe see how it drives. Hopefully it drives good, because it's been a minute. I'm Blackie. Why are you twitching, bro? Alright, but I'm gonna go ahead and get everything else wired up, and hopefully we can start mobbing. Alright guys, I got dark real quick, but we got everything working out. Car got turned on, and we're just gonna go for a test drive right now. Make sure everything's still working good. A lot of stuff that's starting to be fixed up, but yeah, I think I'm gonna for the video. Okay, it's way too dark. I don't think you guys can see me, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my brother's tag blowing up. Or the junkyard portion, but yeah, I'll pick this up again probably when I start the hatch on the next video. See what's up, but yeah, see you guys next time.
Almost died, guys. But I have gas now. There's a popo right there when we pulled up. No license, no front bumper, no seatbelt. Oh wait, it's supposed to be on this side, huh? Wait, no, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. What do you guys say?
That's your freaking car, not mine.
Fuck, he said, fuck you. You get the ticket. Anyways, okay, time to go home.